What's going on, everybody? It's your boy J Coop, and today we are going to be getting into the Shea Moisture Men's Beard Kit. Okay guys, if you have a beard, you know how important it is to keep it fresh, clean, and manageable. And recently, I started using Shea Moisture Men's Beard Collection, and it does the trick. I've been using Scotch Porter for years now, but I wanted to switch it up, see how my facial hair will react to a brand new regimen. So I went with Shea Moisture. Now, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to keep your beard looking fresh and clean on the daily. Now there's 4 different steps that you're going to use with the beard kit. First, you're going to use the beard wash. Second, the beard detangler. Third step is the beard balm. And the 4th and final step, the beard conditioning oil. Now guys, you're gonna also wanna have a good brush and a good comb. I picked both of those up on scotchporter.com. I use the boar bristle brush. Now, you don't have to get that from Scotch Porter, but try to find a beard brush that's boar bristle. I have very coarse hair and that cuts through it like butter, baby. The Kent comb goes so smoothly through those coarse hairs and it keeps you looking good. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's start applying the Shea Moisture Men Beard Collection. Okay guys, first step is the beard wash. Now this is going to get your beard to be soft and manageable so you can keep it fresh and clean. Let's get into it. First step, water in your beard. Let's go. Apply about a dime size of the beard wash. As you can see, not too much. Massage it through your hands, get it all lathered up, and apply it to your beard. Feels good, man. I can feel it softening the beard up, and that's what you want. I have very coarse hair, so the beard wash is softening that coarse hair up. Get it in your mustache as well, just wash it out. Feels fresh. Now guys, when you're drying off your beard, you don't want to rub your beard. You want to pat it dry like this. There you have it. That's the first step, guys, the beard wash. Feels good, feels great on the step number 2. Okay guys, so after the beard wash, I brush my beard. I'm using a boar bristle brush. This is going to make your beard manageable for the next step. Brush your mustache as well. Time for the full beard detangler. Now this is going to get all of that coarse hair to smoothen out so the beard can lay down and stay fresh throughout the day. And we're going to put about a dime size amount into the hand, not too much. That's all you need. Now guys, this is leave-in. You're going to leave this in your beard. Smells good. Make sure you get it all the way through all your hairs. Guys, I'm going to comb it with my Kent comb. This thing is sturdy. You want to get every single hair when you're combing. Under your beard. I have very coarse hair, gentlemen. It doesn't hurt when you want that nice, fresh beard. Okay guys, so that was step number 2, the beard detangler. Now, all that did was soften the beard up, comb through it, so the hair is laid down and ready to be styled. On to step 3, guys. Okay guys, we're getting down to the nitty gritty, the beard balm. Now, the beard balm is to style the beard. Now, I've been using Scotch Porter for years now, and their beard balm is a little more easier to get around, but this beard balm is more of a wax feel. You're gonna have to try a little bit harder to get this one out, but it will come out. Press it out. All right, we got a nice amount. Smells great. Guys, that's all I'm using right there. Rub it in your hands. Feels good. Get it on in there. Don't forget to put it on your mustache. That beard balm is shining you up, laying you down. Now, wasn't that easy, guys? Step number 3, beard balm. On to the last and final step. I call this the icing on the cake, the beard conditioning oil. Now, this is gonna give you that shine that you want for the whole day. You don't want a crusty, crummy beard, and you always have to keep that fresh shine, and this is gonna do it for you. Now you don't need a lot of this. That's it, about 4 drops, 5 drops. Rub it in your hand. Yes indeed. It smells great, people. Voila, and there you have it. Those are the 4 steps to a fresh, clean beard with Shea Moisture Men. Back to me wearing a blazer, guys. Peace. Okay guys, what do you think? There you have it. The beard is looking good, people, and it smells great. As I told you, Shea Moisture Men does not use any harsh chemicals, keeps your beard fresh and clean. Now the pricing, guys, you can find this stuff anywhere. You can go to sheamoisture.com, you can go to Walmart, you can go to Target. I had to buy mine from different locations because they were sold out on certain ones, but all in all, you're gonna spend way less than what you would spend on Scotch Porter. So the price is much better. Now the only discrepancy that I have with it is the beard balm is a little hard to get out of the case, but it's not too bad. I showed you what to do and it still comes out fresh. Okay guys, so all in all, I have to give the Shea Moisture Men beard collection 2 thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you're gonna go out there and keep your beard fresh and clean. Guys, a well-groomed man can conquer the world. All right guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, smash that like button. Also, follow me on Instagram at Jackson S. Cooper. I will leave links below for all of the items that you saw in the video today. All right guys, till next time, stay fresh, stay blessed. Peace.